Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. This is the Blackberry Keyone, the black edition to be exact. Let's see if it's worth buying in 2019. The Blackberry Keyone has a unique design compared to current smartphones. It looks like a classic Blackberry. In short, it's like a stretched out Blackberry passport, where the keyboard sits beneath a rectangular touchscreen. Build quality is solid. We have aluminum frame around the phone, which is matte black in color and blends perfect with the rest of the phone. We have a rubberized back, which isn't really leather, but gives that impression. For build quality it's awesome, but the design is not for everyone, especially if you consume media. The 4.5-inch screen won't amaze you at all. My serious issue with the Keyone is that it runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 CPU, which makes this a mid-range smartphone. It also packs 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256GB with a micro SD card. It runs on Android 8 Oreo, and you shouldn't expect any OS upgrade. The octa-core chip doesn't offer terrible performance. It can take anything you throw at it without any problem, but not games. Applications open with no lags and switching between apps is smooth as well. The Blackberry Keyone has a 12-megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Pictures in regular light produce realistic colors and are not over-sharpened. The autofocus also feels snappy, and generally all the photos I took in regular daylight were more than enough for sharing on social media. Low light performance is a little hit and miss. Photos in low light pick up some noise and autofocus begins to struggle. The Keyone can record video in 4K at 30 fps and the cinematic 24 fps. Battery life is one area that the Keyone excels at. With the 3505 mAh battery life is pretty good. The Snapdragon 625 is really battery efficient. With regular use, the Keyone easily lasted 2 days from a single charge. With heavy usage, the battery should last a whole day. As typing experiences go, the Keyone's keyboard is amazing, featuring solid autocorrect and a nifty flick system that lets you quickly accept on-screen word suggestions. The keyboard also packs a fingerprint scanner, which is pretty fast. It's located inside a small spacebar at the bottom of the phone. It's an odd shape for the biometric scanner though. Anyway, for the big question, is it worth buying the Blackberry Keyone in 2019? Well, this is still a solid device with awesome build quality and great battery life. If you are a Blackberry fan, then it's definitely for you. Though it's expensive for a mid-range smartphone, and the screen is not great for media consumption. Anyway, just weigh the pros and cons and make the decision. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.